What if the most dangerous spy in the room isn't a person, but a mechanical insect sitting right next to you?
If you want to stay ahead of the stealth technology and military AI shaping tomorrow's warfare, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Welcome to the future of air power. At the intersection of biology and advanced robotics lies the microbionic aerial vehicle, a masterpiece of military biomimicry engineered for covert surveillance.
Unlike traditional propellers, its ultra-lightweight wings utilize piezoelectric actuators, flapping at 180 Hz to mimic real insect flight dynamics. Constructed from carbon nanotube composites, the chassis weighs less than 2 grams while offering maximum structural rigidity against microturbulence. Its head features a bio-inspired compound eye matrix, combining thousands of microlenses for 360-degree multispectral vision. Deployed from a discrete canister, a swarm of these micro-drones can infiltrate heavily guarded airspaces undetected. Exploiting its miniature scale, the drone effortlessly bypasses security perimeters through ventilation shafts and keyholes. By creating microvortices over the leading edge of its wings, it generates massive lift relative to its size, allowing precision hovering. An active electrochromic skin dynamically changes color and opacity, rendering the drone virtually invisible against changing backgrounds. Powered by a sub-millimeter neuromorphic AI chip, the drone makes autonomous flight adjustments and obstacle avoidance decisions in microseconds. Integrated flexible micro-solar cells on its back continuously recharge its solid-state quantum battery during daylight operation. Once inside the target facility, the drone perches on a wall fixture, transitioning to ultra-low-power passive listening mode. Gathered intelligence is transmitted via an invisible infrared laser beam to a satellite link or a nearby operator. For offensive covert operations, the tail assembly houses a retractable microsyringe for targeted delivery of neurotoxins or tracking bugs. Cold gas dissipation systems keep the drone's thermal signature near zero, rendering thermal imaging defenses completely blind. In swarm mode, dozens of units form a decentralized mesh network, sharing sensory data to map complex underground bunkers.
If targeted by physical threats or airflow disruptions, explosive evasive maneuvers allow instantaneous 90-degree position shifts.
In the event of capture, a microthermite charge ignites internally, vaporizing all classified circuitry within seconds, without a trace. Mission complete. The micro-drone returns to its hidden charging hub, securing the future of autonomous intelligence gathering.